We have got capacity to control security completely. This area suffered from rebels and cattle rustlers. The last time I came here I was in Balege, which is not far from here, and we discussed the cattle rustling problem. What I discovered was that the army had the capacity to control the cattle rustlers, but they were doing what you call in our language here, Bango Kwon. They were Bango Kwon, the rebels. And it is true, the cows which were being stolen here were being taken to Karerwe. So I will discuss with the commanders and I help them to sort out this. This is a very true problem that some of the political groups say they will start a war. If anybody starts a war, he will go to Gehenna. So there is Kuch here in Uganda now.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.